Hello viewers, let's see how to uninstall tricky apps the way I removed Play Store from my laptop in Windows 11. Whether you want to free up space or fix some issue. Normally when we remove any app, so we right click, either go to property or directly open the tab open file location. But here you don't see the uninstall option. Let's close it. The next way, we simply click in search and type control panel. And when control panel appears, let's click it and click program and features. But here you won't see the Play Store icon for uninstall process, so let me close it. Let's go the final way. Click on this Windows button and then click your name or Microsoft account. Simply click on it and then come to apps. When apps open, click installed app and there you will see list of installed apps. So click these three dots and come down, you will see uninstall option. Click uninstall button, click once again uninstall and the app has been removed. In case if shortcut left, so simply right click and remove that. Thanks for watching.